I'll make sure. Go ahead.
I'm just gonna spell those. He gets out of the trap.
Okay.
More savings.
You summoning that?
Yeah.
Sure. Get to a better state with State Farm.
I use my new steel building as a workshop and a garage, and I love it.
And now you can get the steel building you've always wanted and save big. For a limited time, Future Steel, the world's leader in steel buildings, is selling off select models at rock bottom prices. Save $400, $900, $1,600, up to $2,000 on selected models during this limited time inventory sale.
Future steel buildings are perfect for sheds, workshops, and garages.
They're easy to assemble with 100% usable interior space and come with a 30-year operation warranty. And for a limited time, you can get a Future Steel building and save big during the inventory sale. Simply call the number on your screen or visit us.
Did you activate that? Oh, nothing. No.
I'm not going to do it.
Oh, yeah. I was like, oh. And you flipped it like you would.
You'll love your new Future Steel building.
Call the number on your screen or visit us online for a free brochure and list of sell-off buildings. Call right now.
Be courtside as some of the biggest names in entertainment. Join forces with NBA legends.
Today, Chris, it won't happen.
Star coaches, Russell Westbrook and James Harden. See who's got the moves, the handle, and the skills to bring down.
This one adds, yes.
13 straight NBA Celebrity All-Star Game tonight at 7.
How'd you have this trap? This one? Oh, yeah, you activate it. Yeah.
Basketball is available live anytime, anywhere on your computer, tablet, or smartphone at WatchESPN.com and with the Watch ESPN app.
Whether it's mom's smartphone, dad's tablet, Lauren's smartphone, or Kevin's smartphone, AT&T Mobile Share makes it affordable to share data on all their devices. And when you connect a tablet, you save $100. AT&T, rethink possible.
Does a quick play effect too? No, it does not.
It'd be busted if it was.
Just making sure.
It'd be so busted if it was.
Go.
Introducing the Mazda 6. Reimagine for community. We
Yeah, it is. But I mean,
Oh, this game, huh? Yeah.
Alright, let's
Yeah, you have to try.